Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Confirm your Subaru's head unit supports Android Auto and grab a good cable. OEM is best. Plug the cable into the car's USB port and your phone while the ignition is on. Make sure Bluetooth and location are enabled on your phone. Once connected, accept prompts on both screens. This pairs devices and grants permissions. If the Android Auto app or system update is pending, install it before proceeding, because an outdated app can block the next steps. Once done with basic connection, switch the Subaru infotainment to the Android Auto or projection mode. You may need to tap Connect or Start. Grant microphone, contacts, and notification permissions on your phone so voice, calls, and messages work. Make sure the car's audio source is set to USB and test sound by playing navigation voice or music. If available, enable auto launch so Android Auto starts when you plug in. Also map the steering wheel voice button to Google Assistant for one-press control. Finish by testing navigation guidance, phone calls, and audio playback. Make sure directions route through the car speakers and that voice responses are audible. If something fails, reboot your phone and the Subaru head unit, then try a different USB port or a known good cable. Many issues are cable-related. If problems persist, update your phone's OS, the Android Auto app, and check for Subaru firmware updates. Remember, a single firmware or app mismatch often causes connection faults, so keep everything current.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.